Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find all of the fans in ASRock motherboard. To do this, first let's cover all of the chassis fans, then we're gonna go for CPU fans. So the first two are located right here, where I'm pointing with my finger. First one right there, then the second one right here. And there's also one located right here. Then we can move on to the CPU fans, and there's two of them. One is for the pump and another one is just for your normal cooler for the CPU. So there's one right here and the pump one underneath that one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.